Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is something a little bit different and I think it's gonna be funny, but it's actually something that has been requested before, like multiple times through the years. So I am gonna have my lovely husband Matt show you what he eats in a typical day. So he is a pretty average dude. He eats pretty healthy because a lot of the food that's in our house is healthy, and he's also a big guy, so he eats, honestly you'd think he'd probably eat more for his size. He's 6'6", he's pretty tall, but anyway, so I'm gonna have you guys, I'm basically letting him take over the video today and let him show you what he eats in a day. Alright, you ready to show people what you eat in a day?
I'm ready to show, and just so you know, I'm not average.
Oh, sorry, I shouldn't have called you out. I meant average as far as your diet, like you're not like super healthy, but like you also don't eat crap all day.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, well, you're like a blend.
Thank you.
A lot of my influence.
That's your influence, yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Alright, bye. Or bye, why am I saying bye? Alright, so it's breakfast time, what are you gonna have?
Oatmeal.
Okay, you're gonna show us how you make it?
I'm gonna show you guys how we make it. Coffee here in the morning. San Francisco Bay Gourmet Coffee, organic rainforest blend. It's the type of K-cups that Rebecca buys.
Yes, they're biodegradable.
They're biodegradable. So we're gonna put this in the Keurig machine and voila, coffee. Alright, so here's this wonderful breakfast. We got oatmeal with peanut butter and raisins. Probably all organic, is my guess.
I don't know if the raisins are organic. But oh, it's aren't either, so no. The peanut butter is.
Nothing's organic, except for the peanut butter. And then coffee with organic half and half.
There you go.
And we're gonna chow down and go to the gym on this fine Sunday morning. Alright, so I just got back from the gym. Gonna have a smoothie.
Protein shake?
I'm gonna have protein. Alright, I just got back from the gym. I'm gonna have a protein shake with the following ingredients.
Alright, show us.
This is a sweet potato. Cooked it yesterday.
Lift it up, we can't see it.
Sweet potato, I'm gonna put half of this in. So a quarter of a sweet potato that was cooked yesterday.
Okay.
It was put it in the fridge, obviously. Cooked it at 350 degrees for 35 minutes.
That's how we do it.
My peanut butter again.
Yep.
Kirkland's signature organic creamy peanut butter. Scoop of that. Some protein. Becca's favorite whey protein.
I hate that protein.
Becca hates this.
I actually just ordered you one, so.
Becca just ordered me one from Young Living. So yeah. Check that out. Then we're gonna put some whole milk in there. Back from our farm friends of Trickling Springs. And some ice cubes. And we're gonna blend it up. Alright, it's about 11 a.m. Got hungry again, so it's a little early for lunch. I'm gonna make 2 eggs, fry them up.
So, just to show you, these are the eggs. He's gonna have 2 of these. And then this is the butter that we use to cook them in.
Alright, here's my eggs. We'll see if I get to them first, or if Rosie gets to them first. Maybe we'll just share them. But here we got a little snack.
Alright, so what are you about to have?
It's lunchtime, so I'm gonna have a turkey and cheese and mustard sandwich on some wheat.
Okay, is that it?
I think so, yeah.
What time is it?
It's about 1 o'clock.
Alright, so let's make
Time for lunch. Let's make this slammin' turkey slammer. Alright, so here's my lunch. I mean, it takes a lot of effort here, so we got some whole wheat bread, some spicy brown mustard, and then organic turkey, or honey roasted turkey, and provolone cheese. It really looks good, so we're gonna enjoy this lunch here.
Alright, great. Rosie, do you want his lunch? Why don't you sit down and not eat like a barbarian? No! Rosie, you want his lunch?
So I just had a bite, and I was like, what would be perfect right now to wash this sandwich down? And all I could think about was farm friend chocolate milk. So I'm gonna have a little glass of this with my lunch.
Okay, it's from grass-fed cows. It's pretty local, right?
Yeah.
Did you know that?
I feel like you talked about it before. So yeah, here it is.
Alright, great.
Alright, it's about 4 o'clock. I'm starving, so I'm gonna have one of these little bars. There's 30 of them, but I'm just gonna have one. Kirkland Nut Bar. Should be good. So it's about 6:45, dinner time. Becca's out for the night, some Young Living oil class, so it's up to me to cook. And since I already made one of the 2 things I know how to cook, a turkey sandwich, and I don't want to show off my spaghetti making skills, I'm gonna order some Panera and get some takeout. So let's see how it goes here. Alright, just got back, picked up my Panera. My go-to is the tomato soup. Got a little cup of that with a little piece of bread there, a little French baguette. And I got the Frontega chicken panini. So obviously it's got some chicken on there. It's like some tomato, onions, cheese, some sort of green, and some type of sauce, I forget, but it tastes really good. So here's dinner. And normally we would cook, but like I said, Becca's out, so we're going with Panera tonight. Alright, so Panera was great. Hit the spot. I'm still a little hungry, it's about 8:30. Gonna have a little cereal, little Frosted Flakes. Usually Becca buys me peanut butter puffins, but when I go to the store, Frosted Flakes all day. They're great, trust the tiger. Rosie and I are gonna end the video here. Hope you enjoyed this little switch up here, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay hungry, YouTube.
And don't forget to subscribe.
And don't forget to subscribe to Rebecca's channel. Please, and Instagram, and join her little community here on Facebook, or on YouTube.
Facebook. Alright, say bye.
See ya. Bye, Rosie. Bye.
Rosie, say bye.
Bye.
You got me woke up. The way you roll that, sticky like okra. Just let me coach ya, show you about my culture. It's a late night show like Conan. Bitch, the party ain't